Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel Mr. Net Physics Exam. And guys, today in this video I will be sharing some of the important points which will help you to solve the questions in your upcoming exams. So the questions which we will discuss in this session today will be from GATE 2020 exam, and these are the nuclear physics questions we will take today. Okay, because before this video I have already uploaded a video in which I have talked about the most important topics of nuclear and elementary particle physics, and from the same section we will be taking the questions right now. So let's start the discussion. But before starting the discussion, quickly I would like to tell you something about the Unacademy Plus subscription too, and after that exactly I will be starting the discussion. So as you will be familiar with this thing that on Unacademy Plus we are having so many important courses going on by the top educators. So if you want to join these courses and classes of the well structured and well planned courses by the top educators, and you think you need to get the guidance by the top educators to prepare very well for your upcoming exam, so in that case you can take the Unacademy Plus subscription. And whenever you will proceed further to take the subscription, you can use and apply the referral code which is Anjali A Live, as it has been mentioned here on the screen, or you can use and apply the referral code which is Anjali Arora, as it has been mentioned here on the screen. Both are correct, but at a time you can just use one referral code. In all these courses, you will get to know about the most important tricks, topics, concepts, right approach to solve the questions, and many important things. So, which will surely help you to get ready for your upcoming exam and to prepare very well for your upcoming exam. Now, one more thing, you can either take the Plus subscription or the Iconic subscription. The benefits of both have been shown on the screen. These are for the Plus subscription, and these are for the Iconic subscription. And whenever you will be taking the subscription, use and apply the referral code Anjali A Live or Anjali Arora. Any of these referral codes you can use and apply, and by applying the referral code you will get the 10% discount in the total Unacademy Plus subscription amount or Iconic subscription amount. So this was something important I wanted to share with you. Now we can quickly take the questions and we can talk about them, that what are the steps we will take to solve these questions and how we can easily work on them, how we can easily get the answer for these questions. So guys, the first thing I'm gonna discuss here, that's the first question from GATE 2020 exam. These questions are even important for your CSIR NET exam and other similar exams too. So the first one is from the shell model part, and the question is the total, and when you will be solving these questions you will get the idea that what type of questions are most expected one, how they can ask the questions, and all these things will even get clear to you. The total angular momentum, that's gonna be J of the ground state of the that's gonna be 1708 nucleus is. Options are 1 by 2, 1, 3 by 2, and 5 by 2. Now you can even work on it if you know the whole process, and you can get the answer. Write it in the comments if you have got it. Okay, now let's talk about it. First thing, we will have to consider the number of protons and number of neutrons in the given nucleus. So this is number of protons, so you have to write 8. 17 minus 8, that's 9. So you got number of protons and number of neutrons. In this case you can see it's odd. Okay, it's odd. So when it is odd, you have to write the configuration for the odd one. Even one will not contribute in this part. Just for the odd one, as per the shell model, the configuration which we are having, we need to write it as per the shell model. Okay, now as per that configuration you will get 1 as half, and how many nucleons you can have in this part? 2j plus 1. This suffix part is j, so 2j plus 1, which means 2 into half plus 1, that's gonna be 2. Okay, then you will have 1p 3 by 2 done, and that will be what? 4. Clear? 4 to 6, how many you want? 9, comma, that's gonna be 1p 1 by 2. Okay, that is what? That's gonna have the 2 nucleons in it. Next, 1d 5 by 2, but you already have 4 5 6 7 8, you just want one more. Okay, so one more you will have here. So that's how you got it 9. In this case guys, that's how you can check it out. Like, the configuration must be as per the shell model. If you don't know about it, you need to prepare it to solve any such type of question. You need to write the configuration for the odd one. Once you are writing that, you have filled the 9 nucleons in this way, and now the corresponding j value which you will have for the last one, the last term you will have in this configuration, 5 by 2. That's your final answer, and that is option D. This is how you will be getting your final answer. That's it. This is for the ground state, and they have asked for the ground state itself, so that's your answer. Let's go for the second question. Now the second question we are having, you can smartly work on that question. I will even give you some time to think about the answer. If you can, you will be writing it in the comment section. If you can't, I will tell you how smartly you can answer such type of questions and how easily you can answer them even. So GATE 2020. Okay, the question is, a particle X is produced in this in the process that's going to be pi positive plus proton k positive plus x via the strong interaction. I will even tell you one more thing here. Leptons are generally not going to participate in the strong interaction. So anytime if you will have the question in which you need to select the particle, so you can exclude the leptons this way, and that's how like you will get to know that this particle cannot be in the strong interaction, and you can eliminate that option easily. So guys, this was a quick tip which can even help you anytime to solve any of the nuclear physics questions in which this point will be included. Done. Now content of the K positive, quark structure of the K positive cation has been given to you, and that's US bar. The quark content of X is, options are CS bar, UUD, UUS and UD bar. Okay, this is what we are having. Now we should firstly need to know one thing, that if there is a reaction which is taking place and which is possible, the basic conservation laws must get satisfied. If it is a reaction which is taking place as per the type of interaction, like if you are having that information too, you have to consider that in this type of interaction what are the things which will be conserved. For example, if it is taking place with a strong interaction, then the charge, baryon number, lepton number, the basic things will be conserved. Along with that, Strainness number, the I3, the I, the hypercharge, like all the things will be conserved in it. Okay, so that means when they have given us the K positive quark structure, we can see S bar is there. That means anti, like a particle which will have the anti-quark, the strange anti-quark is there. Done. In that case, we know this is not a strange particle, this is not a strange particle, but this is a like having the S bar quark in it. And generally the strange quark we are going to have in the quark structure of the particles which are strange particles. Okay, so that's why it's there. Now since we know its a strainness number is 0, its a strainness number is 0. Okay, but it will have some strainness number, and that's like anti-quark of S. Now another thing is, we will be also having the strangeness for this particle, and it should be what? It should be S to balance it, because it will be 0, so some of these two should be 0 too. So it should have S there. So simply with this comparison, I can quickly get the answer that it will be option C, and I don't even need to check out any of the things here. Done. So guys, I hope it's clear to everyone now, and you will simply be able to work on any such type of question, okay, if you will have them in your upcoming exams. And in case if you are having any questions, any queries, that how you can prepare, anything you want to ask, you can tell me. And if you want to join the detailed courses by the top educators, then you can even take the Unacademy Plus subscription, because after taking the subscription you will be able to join the well structured and well planned courses by the top educators, which will help you to prepare very well for your upcoming exam and to get ready for the exam too. Another thing is, whenever you will proceed further to take the subscription, you can use and apply the referral code which is Anjali Arora or Anjali A Live. Anjali A Live has been shown on this slide, and Anjali Arora, you can write this way. Like any one of these referral codes you can use and apply, and by using and by applying these referral code, you will easily be able to get the 10% discount in the total Unacademy Plus subscription amount. Okay, so that's how, guys. I hope each and everything will be clear to all of you, and you can see which subscription you want to take if you are proceeding to take the subscription, whether Plus or Iconic. Okay, both are very good, both will be helping you in your upcoming exam preparation, but depending on which you find more beneficial for yourself, you can go for it. And thank you so much everyone for watching this video till the end. Thank you. We will be having more and more important videos on this channel, so if you are new on this channel, you can subscribe it. You can click on the subscribe button below this video, and also click on the bell icon so that you will get the notification for the new videos which I will upload on this channel, and you will not miss any of the important things. Thank you so much everyone for joining this session and for attending it till the end. Thank you.